Hey everybody, it's your favorite real estate agent, Michael Pryor from the Pryor Group at Keller Williams, and I'm here today to talk to you about some of the changes that are going on in the real estate market and also some areas of opportunity if you are currently living in Toronto. So first off, rents are dropping. If you've probably heard of this, it's not quite as bad as New York City, but for one bedrooms in downtown Toronto, there was an 11% year-over-year decrease in Q3, which is quite a significant decrease. So if you are a landlord in downtown Toronto or in the surrounding areas, it would be a good idea to price your unit, if you're putting it on the market, ahead of where the market's going. So actually go a little bit lower. It sucks. In the short term, you make less money, but you're likely to get a better tenant in the short term, and that's worth its weight in gold. On top of that, your unit's not going to sit on the market for an extended period of time. Another area of opportunity is if you're looking at downsize, or you've been considering downsizing for the last year, 2-3 years, or you're looking to do it in the next couple of years, it might be a good opportunity to do it now. Right now, as condos, if you're going to move into a condo, as condo prices have decreased a little bit and home prices have either stayed steady, depending on where you are, or they've increased, this might be an opportunity to get out of your freehold home at a premium and buy a condo, get a little bit more condo, or get it for a little bit cheaper, or both. Another area of opportunity right now is because the rates are so low, you could potentially refinance your current property if you currently own a property. Your property's probably increased in value if you bought it a couple years ago, and you could potentially even use that money to pull it out, do something else with it, invest it in a different way, or you could potentially pick up an investment property. I know you're thinking I'm crazy because rents are so low and so difficult to find a great tenant right now. Those things will change in the long term, and your capital appreciation on picking up a cheaper product over the next 3, 5, 10 years might be significantly greater than the loss in rent in the short term. So if you're thinking long term and you want to get a great condo at a great price, there might be some opportunities just around the corner. So those are just some tips and tricks on what you can do to make sure that you and your family are keeping financially strong during these times. And if you're looking to make some moves, or you guys have any questions about your specific situation, feel free to get in touch with me. And if I don't hear from you, have a great rest of fall.